Our next section is the Listen section. Located with the musical note icon on the top middle, press the Listen section to engage in the content. Under Listen, we have categories such as therapeutic sounds, classic radio, music, podcasts, music by genres, new spiritual music, and audiobooks. Pressing therapeutic, you have several choices: beach sings, aquarium, rainy mood. Press one of these for background music and music to relax you. Pressing aquarium, you'll actually see an aquarium along with aquarium sounds. Many find this content soothing and relaxing. When you want to exit out of the content, press the back button. And pressing back again brings you back to the music. Next, we'll check music. Under music, you have popular artist, cultural. Pressing decades will bring you music by the decades. 1950s, it'll bring up a radio player. The player will load. The music should start automatically. If not, please press the arrow button to start the content. Now we return back to the music by decades. Now we go back to the music. We also have things such as music memories, cultural music, and premium music streaming stations that you might have already paid for.